Beautiful people, it's me, Pamela, on my YouTube. Cho, no, what's the T? Siyahlazia. Guys, in the sense of me, trial, guys, at some stage, things, nje. Abantu, they must just stop. Things are not working out. Like, for example, that statement, Ubaloyi, the terminology there, you can tell, the statement wasn't written by Kwabin. Hayu Kwabin is not even the type of a person that can write a statement like that. I'm just like, guys, we are pushing it, in that cause. Hayu Baloyi yenza shemento yakhe. But it's just like anginandaba. Kumla angambiza ubani wini. 2024. Ngathi die hard Ubaloyi. Ubaloyi doesn't give up. Nalastel still calling him Die Hard. Shady Baloyi, does say his other name. He doesn't give up. He's just like, hey, young Nandaba. We don't want to know. We have to push this thing. How is this going to end up? I don't know. Baloyi, they've just done the worst. With obviously, with Uzungu. Usizwe Zungu is the one that actually brought these lies. That is why we are where we are. Let's do this and pin this guy abangenzile next. And you ask yourself, okay, and Uraza was just asking, why ngaboshwanga po Kwabin? Like literal njengalaba our 5. Go phela 9. He was pinned down in a way like them, but he also end up kanjani. And then that rumor is for he actually paid the police to come out. This is why we are where we are. And lamuntu loyana akekho safe futhi at the same time. Everything that has to do with Baloyi or Brigadier Gininda is manufactured and cooked or fabricated. Hey, you know what? These people have messed up this whole trial. This thing is actually a mess now. Yabona Urata at times it's just like Svigenin. Yabona Urata despises defense, guys. Angazi uphoxe umnyeni singangaki. Hey, I'm just like, the way angayifuni ngakhona defense. And the Mrs. argument at some stage was that signature could never be Kwabini's signature or that statement that was written. There couldn't have been Kwabini saying those things. That sounds like Uputilo Fundelilo Brigadier Bongani Gininda. Although Umnisi didn't necessarily put it like that, but Ubalo is always having his way. That statement actually, Kwabin didn't write the statement, guys. Kwabin, he did not. And then Ubalo is arguing, as long as it's factual. Like it's factual from where? Among that you fabricated and wrote by hand. Anyways, that lawyer enkulu. He's studying law. Hey, you can't finish that law. I'm to find jail for defeating the ends of justice.
Before Maka was arrested, yesterday we showed you a statement which bears your name and surname. Izolo sikhombise sona ke statement lesi esinegama lakho kanye nesibongo sakho. Yes. Your evidence is that is not the statement that Brigadier Gininda took down on the 24th of June 2020 at Primrose Police Station. Is that correct? Ufakazi bakho buthi ke lesi akusona istatement esabhalwa phansi uyena uBrigadier Gininda ngazo i24 kuJune 2020 ePrimrose. Ngithe akusiyona isignature yami le. I said this is not my signature. You said you only place an S on the document that you sign. Is that correct? Wena ke okushilo ukuthi ke wabeka kuphela nje uS la kule phepha le noma kula maphepha osayinda kuona wabeka uS. Yes. So are you saying that is not the statement that you signed on the 24th of June 2020 at Primrose Police Station? Manje ke uthi lesi akusona statement wasayina kusona ke 24th ka June 2020 at Primrose. No, it is not. You further testified that it was the only statement that was taken down pertaining to this matter. Ushilo futhi ke ukuthi ke isona kuphela istatement esabhalwa noma esenziwa mayelana necala leli?
Angazi lapho mina kodwa esayisisisa.
There I don't know, but this is not mine. So what happened to that statement that you say you signed by placing an S on it? Manje ke kwenzekani ngaleso statement leso othi wabeka uS kusona?
Angazi angisazi asihlali phela kimi.
I don't know because I'm not the one who keep it. So in other words, Mr. Zungu, you are not the source of that statement that has just been placed before you. Is that correct? Ngamanye amagama lokhu okula akuqhamuki kuwena noma kubuyi kuwena lokho obhalwe la. You are not the author of that statement. Akuwena wabhala lokho okula.
Akusimina ngibhala.
No, I'm not. So in other words, that statement, its origin, the contents thereof are unknown to you. Is that correct? Okusho ukuthi la siqhamuka khona lokhu okubhaliwe la awukwazi wena.
Angikwazi.
It's unknown to me. Now, in light of what you're saying, Mr. Zungu, we are going to take you through that statement to determine whether or not you are the author of that statement. Manje ke ngenxa yalokhu okushoyo manje noma lokho oqeda ukusho ke manje sizofunda ke le statement kanye nawe ukuthola noqinisekisa ukuthi sibuya kuwena noma asibuyi kuwena yini.
Sibuya kimi sisayinwe ubani ngezansi yimi.
It's from me. Who signed it at the bottom? Is it me who signed? Yes. You said you are not the one who signed the statement. Ushilo wathi akuwena osigned it.
Ngifundela kanjani into engasayinwanga yimi?
Then how do you read to me what was not signed by me? Yes, the law allows if you deny the authorship of the document, we can cross-examine you on this document. Umthetho uyavuma ke noma uyazivumela ke uma kuukuthi ke uyaphikisana ke nokuthi siqhamuka kuwena ukuthi sike sikufundele noma sikufunde. Okay. It's written First Lores Cas.
The state says they want to demonstrate that the statement that the witness says was not signed by him, that the content thereof was not read back to him, that the signature that appears on the statement is not a signature, that it does not even know the content thereof. The state says they would want to endeavor to demonstrate that statement comes from him and they are relying on a specific authority for that. I'm not aware of that authority. All that I'm aware of, my Lord, is that before a witness could be confronted on the basis of a statement that he allegedly made, that statement must be sufficiently proved. Actually, it must be proved to have been made by him. And there are those jurisdictional factors that need to be complied with or be proven, and the witness should admit them before it can be said that that statement has been proven. But to say that despite the fact that the statement the witness dissociates himself from that particular statement, then the state says no, we will endeavor to show that the content of that statement actually comes from you. That presupposes a trial within a trial. Yes, Mr. Baloyi.
As the court, please, Malot, the lay of the land has changed completely by the evidence of Mr. Zungu.
Yeah.
He says this is not my statement.
Yeah, quite. That's what he says.
So in other words, the authorship of the statement is now in question.
Quite.
Therefore, it's a factual determination. Yeah. It's got nothing to do with whether or not he signed the statement. The end of the day, it's a determination that the court, taking into consideration the conspectus of the evidence, will have to determine whether his version is true or not. It's a simple fact of the matter, my lord.
I agree with you. You may proceed.
as you could please, my lord. It's written Phosphorus CAS 636/10/2014. It says, I, the undersigned, Sifiso Zungu, those are your names, as you mentioned yesterday, is that correct?
Inkantolo ke ivumeleke umshushisi ukuthi esengaqhubeka ke afundele noma ke afundeke istatement lesi sibhalwe ke lapha ngaphezulu uphosphorus case 636/10/2014 kwase kwabhalwa ke umgolandelayo mina ke osayindile la ngenzansi Sifiso Zungu